There's a number of ways in which you can make fertilizer or a material in which you can enrich your garden beds. You can put shredded leaves on, dry chemical-free grass clippings. You can use moo poo tea, compost tea. You can also create a concoction, as I call it, of weed tea. Now this here is a tub in which we have harvested the weeds that come in our garden. We all have them. And we put it in here and we steeped it with water. Now we steeped it for about 2.5 weeks. No air stones, just put the plant debris in there, filled it with water, and let it set. Now this is something that if you do not like harsh or unpleasant smells, this is not for you. If you're familiar with what a cattle lot smells like, this is exactly the same odor that's coming off of it as you drive by a farm. The breakdown process, the microbials, whatever's going on here, is taking the nutrients out of the weeds and basically causing to rot and turning it into a liquid nutrient value. So what we're going to do here, and you can see we got a lot of flies around here, and then the other thing is once we drain this sludge, we'll take the plant matter that's left, dig a hole in the compost pile, and then bury that to get rid of the odor. The smell, you can smell it 50 yards from all over the property, and you can see it's just a very greenish slime smell. And you're just going to put this on your plants around the base, foliar feed, whatever you decide to do. If you're really concerned about the odor, you can do this the afternoon before a nice gentle rain, so it can help put it in the soil more. It doesn't bother me. It's just going to absorb into the soil and the plant life and the microbial life, and the microbes are going to feed off of it, so it's going to be just fine. So again, weed tea, just take the weeds, put it in a tub, let it steep for 2 or 3 weeks, and then that nutrients that come off those weeds goes in the water, and you can water your plants with it. A free source of highly nutrient material to keep your garden going and make it happy. So I'm down to the last little bit here. Now this tub is approximately a 45 gallon tub, and it was completely jam-packed with leaves when I put them in there. I crammed them down until there was no more I can cram in. And you can see how much those weeds have broke down and basically rotted, I guess is the best term to use, into the water. And now that's what that water is that rotted material that has that very strong stench because it hasn't been aerated and had the bubbler put in there. It was just sat there and steeped, and got a lot of nutrient value in this that these plants are going to love.
For more information, please visit thewisconsinvegetablegardener.com.